Welcome to the Galveston Island Convention Center. Come on in for a tour. Welcome to the Galveston Island Convention Center. My name is David Townsend. I am the Director of Conference Convention Planning here, and I'm going to show you around the Convention Center today. We're starting right here in our pre-function space. We have over 40,000 square feet of pre-function space on the first and second floors. We do a lot of tabletop exhibits, we do meals, we do seminars, you name it, we do it out here. But the best thing about our pre-function space, it overlooks the Gulf of Mexico, nothing but windows on the south wall. Here in our first floor pre-function space, we do have 2 reader boards. We use these reader boards to show group agendas. We also show social media feeds and conference pictures. Now follow me, we're going to go into our expo hall. This is our expo hall. It's 40,000 square feet of exhibit space. We can hold up to 190 10 by 10 vendors in this space. We also have power on the floor. We have utility boxes every 30 feet on the floor and around the perimeter. We do power, internet, data, phone, gas, water, everything like that, everything that vendors are looking for. Some of the other things we have in the room, we have a carpet panel around the perimeter to help out with acoustics, and we have a special acoustical treatment on the ceiling. The room does split in half. We have a solid air wall that runs right down the middle. We have an exhibit hall A, 20,000 square feet, and an exhibit hall B, 20,000 square feet. One of the great things about the exhibit hall, vendors love this room because they can pull up right to the exhibit hall, right to the load and dock door, come in, load. There's no go up the stairs, down the hall. It's literally right there for them. Now we're going to go to our breakout space. This is our breakout space. We have over 12,000 square feet of breakout space, 11 meeting rooms here. We have 2 executive board rooms. We have 1 galleon room that's 5,000 square feet that splits into 3 separate rooms. And we have rooms of all different sizes. So let's go take a look at one of our rooms. This is our Spinnaker room. It's one of our smaller breakout meeting rooms. We do a lot of smaller meetings. We can do classroom for 70 people. We can do theater for over 100 in here. It's almost 1,000 square feet. This room is the same capacity as our schooner room, harbor room, and our clipper room. Some of the great things about our breakout space, we do have tackable wall service around the perimeter, so you can push pin up flip chart paper and anything you want to hang. We also have in-room lighting controls, so you control the lighting in our breakout space, and we have a thermostat, so you can control the temperature in our breakout space. Let's head over to the galleon now. This is our galleon room. This is our most popular breakout room. It's over 5,000 square feet of meeting space, and it does split into 3 separate salons, galleons 1, 2, and 3. Meeting planners love this space because of the flexibility it provides. Some of the different things we do in here, we do breakout meetings, classroom over 350, theater style almost 600. We do a lot of meals in here. We do have our separate service entrances over here on the west side, but we do all kinds of receptions, galas, parties, you name it. This is our junior ballroom. It's also our most popular breakout space. We have 2 executive boardrooms here at the Convention Center. We have our leeward executive boardroom. We also have the windward executive boardroom. Both are almost 400 square feet, and we can do over 14 people conference style in each room. This is our yacht room, one of our most popular breakout rooms. It's over 1,500 square feet of space. We can do over 100 people classroom and 150 people theater seating. We have 2 levels here at the Galveston Island Convention Center. We have level 1, which has our exhibit hall and all of our breakout space. And then we have level 2, which is our grand ballroom and our executive kitchen. This is our second floor pre-function space. It's over 5,000 square feet of meeting space. It's also our grand ballroom foyer. This is the most popular spot for meeting planners to host receptions in our entire building. We do different things from meals to exhibits. Let's go look at the ballroom. This is our grand ballroom at the Galveston Island Convention Center. It's 15,000 square feet of space. We do have our crystal chandeliers here with our hand-painted domes above the chandeliers. Around the perimeter, we have our marble base cove and our crown molding. This room does split into 3 separate salons, ballrooms A, B, and C. Some of the different activities we do in this room, we do galas, we do proms, and we do general sessions. Some of our amenities here include complimentary wireless internet service. We have fantastic wireless internet. We have a 500 megabit per second circuit that runs the entire building. We also have a parking garage below the convention center with over 700 parking spots. Parking is complimentary here at the Galveston Island Convention Center. We also provide a shuttle service from the convention center to all of the hotels. The shuttle service is complimentary. Outside the convention center, we do have our marquee over the Seawall Boulevard. We can welcome conferences, post personalized messages, and put your name in lights. Our resort here includes the Galveston Island Convention Center. We also have 3 hotels in walking distance. We have the Holiday Inn Resort, the San Luis Resort, and we are just 50 steps from the Galveston Hilton. We have over 700 guest rooms in walking distance. We have 8 restaurants in this area, and we have 1,500 guest rooms in a 2-mile radius. Thank you for touring the Galveston Island Convention Center with me. We do so many different types of events here. We do religious conferences, corporate meetings, sporting events. We would love to host your next event here at the Convention Center. We'll see you soon.